Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Knorr mixed vegetable soup. To begin, ensure you have 1 packet of Knorr mixed vegetable soup mix. You will also need 4 cups of water or vegetable broth, which forms the base of our delicious soup. Don't forget 1 cup of your preferred fresh mixed vegetables, like peas and carrots, and 1 tablespoon of oil or butter for cooking. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your 1 cup of fresh mixed vegetables. Sauté them for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they are tender crisp. This quick sautéing step is crucial. It brings out the natural sweetness and vibrant colors of your vegetables, adding a wonderful depth of flavor to the finished soup. Next, carefully pour 4 cups of water or vegetable broth into the pot with your sautéed vegetables. Then, open the Knorr mixed vegetable soup mix packet and stir the entire contents into the liquid. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally to ensure everything is well combined. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the soup thickens to your desired consistency. It's almost ready. Your delicious Knorr mixed vegetable soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully ladle the hot soup into individual bowls. For an extra touch of freshness, you can garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or cilantro. Serve it immediately to savor its warmth and comforting flavors. This simple recipe yields approximately 4 satisfying servings, perfect for a cozy meal or a light lunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.